his mom.
See that tattoo?
I like that.
Does she like this?
Well, she liked the straight tail.
She likes the straight hair.
Oh.
Jake's gonna lose out to the
Ours
first.
is going to have some genetic surgery occur.
Last one.
The mutation.
Okay, okay, you talk about it and I'll
All
talk.
right, this is Jaquita.
Right here, Jaquita.
She's heterozygous for everything except for her nose. She has a yellow nose, so that's homozygous recessive. And she's homozygous recessive for antenna, but she doesn't have any. And she's got attitude.
She does.
She has no antenna, but she has hair clips. And look at her little
She's
eyelashes.
fine.
She's got
She's got a long neck like this.
Bring it down. Jake and Jaquita, I think they belong
She doesn't
together.
go for seconds.
That's it. I think we need to go to break. Straight tail was more desirable. See, you made it straight. Okay.
We're crossing off negative.